If you want to cancel your ProtonMail free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your subscription is properly terminated before any charges occur. Step 1. Log into your ProtonMail account. Visit the ProtonMail website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the free trial you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. You can usually find this option by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to the subscription section. In the account settings menu, look for the subscription or billing section. This is where you can manage your current plan and view details about your free trial. Step 4. Select cancel subscription. Within the subscription section, find the option to cancel your subscription. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After you have cancelled your subscription, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Make sure to check for this confirmation to ensure that your free trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your ProtonMail free trial and avoid any unwanted charges. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to ProtonMail support for assistance.